Hello kids, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to solve this equation and get their x and y values. So let's see. So writing the given equation, first is 23x minus 29y equal to 98. Assume this is first equation and the second equation is 29x minus 23y equal to 110. Let's assume second equation. So if you are using previous approach, then here for eliminating y, you need to multiply 23. Then y term, and here on equation 2, or this you need to multiply 29. Then a y term should be the same. After doing the subtraction, then you can get their x terms. But this approach I am not going to use because this is too lengthy to calculate. So what I am trying to do here, first making the equation simple. For this one, we need to add the equation first and second. So here, adding equation 1 and 2. So this is now 23x, thereafter 29y and 98. And the second is 29x, and here this is 23y, and here this is 110. So 29 and 29 plus 23. This is now 52x, and this here 29, this also 52y, and this is now adding, so plus minus, and this here plus. So this is now 110 and 98. So here adding 110, 98, 8, 10, 2, 208, that's come there. Let's take there 52 common. So x minus y is now 208, or x minus y is now 208 divided by 52. So it cancelled by 4 times. 4 times this cancel. Now here x minus y equal to 4, that's come there. This is equation third. So equation third, that's come there. After here you can see this is x minus y equal to 4. This is simple now. Now thereafter again I need to get there another simple equation. For this one, this time I added. Now this time I'm going to subtract equation first and second. So writing there subtracting equation first and second. So first is now 29. So first is 23x, then 29y, then 98. And this here 29x minus 23y, here 110. Let's subtract here. This is minus, and this here minus plus minus. So 23 minus 29, that come here minus 6x, and here 29 minus 23, so this also come here minus 6y, and this here, so this come here minus 110, 98 minus 12, that's come there. Okay. So minus 12. Now let's take there minus 6 common. So x plus y, and this become minus 12. Or we can write here x plus y equal to minus 12 by minus 6. This cancel by 2 times. So here after the next is, here you can get x plus y equal to 2. Let's assume this is 4 equation. Now here you can see 3 and 4. This is looking so simple. After that, simply you need to add there 3 and 4 equation. So writing there, adding equation 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So 3 is now x minus y equal to 4 and this here x plus y equal to 2. And here add. So minus y, this cancel. Here x plus x, that is 2x. 4 plus 2, 6. So x equal to 6 by 2. This cancel by 3 times. So x equal to 3, that is there. After that, this x value you can put on equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyone, then you can get your y terms. So here putting x value in equation of 4. So x plus y equal to 2. X value is now 3. 3 plus y equal to 2. So 3 moving there on the right side. So y equal to 2 minus 3. And 2 minus 3, the value come minus 1. And this is the answer. X value is now 3, y value is now minus 1. That's come. So this is the most simplest way we can get their x and y values. So by using this approach here, you don't need to do lengthy calculation. Simple calculation is there. Simple form of new equation x minus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 2. That's get there. After that, simply you need to add the equation, then get their x and y values. But if you are using like getting the y terms, for this one you need to multiply 23 here 29. So this is two lengthy terms is there, so that this approach is not following, and by following this approach you can easily get the x and y values. So I hope kids you like this video. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.